So Operation Food Search is a hunger relief organization that provides more than $35 million worth of food to over 200,000 people per month here in the St. Louis region.
FreshRx Nourishing Healthy Starts is a program that addresses food insecurity in pregnant women and their families. With the program, we've enrolled 100 women over the course of the last year.
I was one of the first moms during the program. Now my baby, she just turned 2. Once I finished the program, they asked me did I want to help out, with the moms, and I deliver fresh food each week to our moms.
The meal kits offer 3 recipes, and each recipe feeds at least 4 people.
The donation from True Refrigeration of the 7 coolers for our FreshRx program is something that we have had on our wish list literally for years now.
We've been able to pull our FreshRx items into those refrigerators close to our packing area and easily use them, but also made some extra space for all the additional donations we've been receiving recently due to COVID.
It's so nice to have a dedicated space where we can take that food that's coming in for the program, put it aside, know it's being kept at the perfect temperature, and that we have those meal kits literally ready to go in those coolers when our families come to pick them up.